Now we are going to write two methods to calculate array, and second method will be to calculate the volume of cone. Now let's go. Public, it will be double to return value. Area cone. Now here we are going to make double area. You can write whatever you like. Area. Oh, I need the formula here. Control slash. Now let's go. Now when we for any reason we have make any mistake and we have give the radius value or high the negative value, and the result will be negative, but we like all the time the result to be the positive, because in practice we don't have the area surface negative or volume negative. We like to be the result just positive, and we can convert the negative sign to positive sign for if we have any situation. And in mathematics is a special operation that is called absolute value. Now we can write math absolute. Now we know that from mathematics pi is 3.14, but for more to be more exact, we have here the math pi. Can you see here it's 3.1 value pi multiplying here the radius value. Here is instance variable radius, and here is the radius return value, and here is the method get radius. When we write method name get radius, it will be return this double value radius. Now we are getting that value that we have stored. Get radius. Can you see if we type control and here, can you see it will go to this method? It will be return this radius value. That here we have this method we have store to radius, and here we are getting that value. Now here this is one code, and what we have, get radius, it's multiplying radius base, get radius plus slant, get slant, here is get slant high, and semicolon. Here we have we have returned that value double here, and we have calculated. Now here, can you see, we in this method we have double. This calculated value is from, this is the local variable. We are going to return the area. This is great. Now we are going to calculate the volume. Can you see here we have used public because it will be accessed from author class method. If we, for any reason, if we type here, write the private, it will be hide this method from author classes. Now, let's go. Public double name of the method, volume of cone. Here is the parenthesis, braces. I need the formula. Control C here. Now Control slash to comment this. And now double variable. We are storing in this variable. Now we are going to use absolute because to be the positive value in the result in the end. Math pi multiplying. We are return the value of radius. We can make here it's multiplying get run. Here we have make any mistake. We have, because we have here radius in power of 2, you can write here get radius multiplying get radius. You can multiply this, or you can use this math. I like more this to use math power. Here is the base, and here second is the power. Let's make this this is one line of code, and it's multiplying by, we have h is the high, get high, and can you see here say semicolon. Now we must return the v value. Here we have forgotten, here we must write to say calculated area, specify the format. We have 5 number after decimal point. Here we have area, great, and here we have calculated volume, specify the format, 5 number after decimal point, and we have v value, great, and here we have, and one it's string geometric figure. What is the name of figure? Because we have in the mathematical geometry we have the circle, sphere, cylinder. In our example we have calculated for cone. Now let's write one method for cone. Here public string, it will return the string, geometry name. Now here what is name of figure. Name of figure here. Specify what data type, what format we have. We have string here, and here we must get geometry figure. Can you see if we control of the keyboard and here if we type, can you see it will be return this value. This the parameter of this is the local variable. This local variable that we have here from parameter, it will be assigned to this instance variable. This is the instance variable. Now, great. Now we must call math test. Here is the main method that I have created earlier. Now we are in this main method, we are going to call this class set underscore get underscore one. We are going here to instantiate that class. First, we are going to create the main class here, public static void public static void main string square brackets, and this is the variable public, public. Now we are going to call that method. Now we are going to use scanner because we are going to give the input value from keyboard. Input new scanner, and you enter here, enter, or you for system semicolon, or you go to mouse here and type alt the enter, and it's automatically it's import for this class what it needs. Now we are going to instantiate for this class. We have class set. This is the class. Here is the variable. I can make set get. You can create the new object. This is the new object. Here. Now set get here. Now we must give the value to store. We are going to start length and say that give the double length, and here we must create the value from double length input variable. Next double, read the input value, double. What we have here, we have radius high. Here we have input next double, read this value, and it will be stored here in this high. Is from data type double, is the decimal number. Double, what was here? Can write you can write not just length, you can write here whatever name you like for this value, and this it will not make any problem if we make here the same name, because this is the different class. It will be not overlooping this class and this class, this variable. Now input next double and radius double radius input next double, and we have string. What is string? It's this geometric figure. Is it's string input scanner next. This is the string. Now here is for length. The input value that we have give from keyboard, it will be stored here. That value, it will be set length, it will be assigned here length, and that value length that we have give from keyboard, it will be stored here, and that value it will be get then. If we type control and mouse, it will be directly go to this method.